Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Eiler for our second vocabulary word of the week. And if you can remind me, what are our words? What did I say our words were going to be describing this week? Are they describing people or are they describing places or settings? Okay, if we remember that every story that you read has a setting, a place where something happens. And so it's always good to know lots of describing words that help paint the picture for a reader of what the setting of a story is. And you can, of course, also use these words in your writing and in your speaking. And the more you use it, the more it's going to be retained in your brain. So really challenge yourself to use these words at home. So let's review yesterday's word. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, what was yesterday's word? That's right, I heard you, Russell. Bustling, okay? B-U-S-T-L-I-N-G. And what does bustling mean? Okay. Bustling means crowded or lively. Okay, so I'll show you the picture. I didn't have this yesterday. So here's the picture of a bustling street. Looks like, yeah, almost like a little outdoor market that's bustling with people. Okay, so that's a great picture of bustling. Okay, so let's do a little thumbs up, thumbs down game. Thumbs up and say bustling. Thumbs down, not bustling. So I'm going to describe a place and you say bustling or not bustling. Okay, Disneyland, bustling. Okay. The Wade Thomas upper playground at recess, bustling. Wade Thomas right at this very moment, not bustling. An airport the day before Thanksgiving, bustling. An airport during the coronavirus shutdown, not bustling. Okay, so let's move on to our next word. And remember what you need, a piece of paper. And then today I have my blank sheet divided into fourths. You have the word, what it is not, the sentence, and the meaning. Okay? So today our word is almost the opposite, sort of bustling. And this word is, who can read that word for me? Sorry. Remote. Now, you may have heard this word before. Think about it. Where have you heard this word before? Did anyone say that they've heard it when they're talking about getting a TV remote to control the TV? Well, that is true. That is one meaning of the word remote, but remote has another meaning when we're describing a setting. Okay, so everybody in the first square, go ahead and write the word remote. R-E-M-O-T-E. And how many syllables does the word remote have? Clap it out. Ready? Remote. And who knows what this first part of the word is called? That's an open syllable because it ends in a vowel, so that makes the E say E. So that's remote. Another long vowel syllable that ends with the magic or bossy E there. Okay, remote. All right, so let me show you the picture of remote. Sorry. Okay. You can see here, this guy is all alone on his own little island. So the word remote means sort of far away and alone. Can mean isolated, far off, kind of distant and far away from people. So you can see that it's very much different. This setting is very much different than a bustling setting. Okay? Which do you prefer when you go on vacation? Do you prefer a bustling setting or a remote setting? I know that I prefer a little bit of a mix. I like to be in a remote setting and then spend a few days in a bustling setting and then end up on a remote setting. Okay, so let me show you my picture for what it is not. Oh, sorry. Let me show you my picture for what it is. Remote. Here is my person on a deserted island, very far off and distant, isolated, all by himself, saying hello. So go ahead, press pause, and take a minute to draw your own picture of remote. Okay, and then if we look over here into what it is not, I have here just several places with lots of people on it, so you can tell that it's not, no one is alone. It's not far off. It's not distant. Okay, so go ahead, press pause, and draw a picture of what you think what remote is not. Okay, and then my sentence is, who can read it? When I travel, I enjoy going to remote places that aren't bustling with people. Haha, so notice I used 2 of our vocabulary words. I'm shooting for extra credit here. Okay, so go ahead and press pause and you can write your own sentence. And in our last square today, we are doing the meaning of the word. We're going to write the meaning of the word. Here is my definition. It says, remote means far away and alone, like an island where one person lives by himself. Wouldn't that be nice for a little while? Okay, so I'll hold this up and you can copy that definition. Press pause, copy that definition. Okay, guys, so as you move into your afternoon, be thinking about what you feel like doing today. Do you feel like going to a remote place with nobody? Does that bring peace to your mind? Or would you rather be in a bustling environment or a bustling setting that has a lot more energy? We all have our own opinions. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. Tune in tomorrow for our 3rd vocabulary word that will be describing a setting or a place. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you.